You think space will kill you slowly? Wrong. Every single planet in our solar system has a faster, more brutal way to do it in under 10 seconds. And NASA has never sent a human to any of them for exactly that reason. So let's test them all, starting from the sun. Because the mystery is why Earth is the only planet that lets you live while our closest neighbors are perfect death traps. And it comes down to pressure, temperature, and atmosphere. First, Mercury. Daytime is 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Your spacesuit would fail in 2 seconds and you would blister instantly. But at night, it's minus 290 degrees, so you would freeze solid and die from temperature shock. Next is Venus, which is literal hell. It's 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than Mercury. But that's not what kills you first. The air pressure is 90 times Earth's, like being 3,000 feet underwater. So in 3 seconds, your chest would be crushed, and then the sulfuric acid in the air would dissolve you. NASA landed a probe there, and it survived only 127 minutes before being crushed and melted. Now, Mars. You think it's safe, but it's not. It's minus 80 degrees. But the real killer is it has almost no atmosphere, just 1% of Earth's. So your blood would start to boil in a process called ebullition. Your saliva would boil on your tongue, and in 10 seconds, you'd be unconscious, swollen, and your lungs would rupture.
Then we leave solid ground forever. Jupiter has no surface, it's all gas. You would just fall and fall while 400-mile-per-hour winds shred you. And 10 miles down, the pressure would crush you into nothingness. And deeper, the hydrogen becomes liquid metal, so there is no bottom to hit. You are just crushed into oblivion. Saturn is the same, but worse. You fall forever through hydrogen and helium. But here, NASA proved it literally rains diamonds. Methane turns into diamonds due to pressure and rains sideways at 1,000 miles per hour. So you would be shredded by a diamond storm before you are crushed. This is where it gets unexpected. Uranus is an ice giant tilted on its side at minus 320 degrees. You would get instant frostbite, but its atmosphere is full of toxic hydrogen sulfide that smells like rotten eggs, so you would freeze while choking on poison while 560-mile-per-hour winds, the fastest until the next planet, blow you apart. And finally, Neptune, the fastest death of all. Winds hit 1,200 miles per hour, faster than a fighter jet, 5 times stronger than the strongest hurricane on Earth. You wouldn't get 10 seconds, you would get 2 seconds before supersonic freezing methane winds tear your body apart before you even realize you can't breathe. Voyager 2 saw a storm there the size of Earth, raging for years. So the bigger question is, if 7 out of 8 planets kill you in under 10 seconds, why doesn't? Earth, what we know is Earth is in the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, with a magnetic field that protects us from radiation and exactly 21% oxygen and perfect pressure that keeps our blood liquid. What we don't know is how rare this is, because we found over 5,000 exoplanets, and not one is like Earth. And in the future, NASA and SpaceX are trying to make Mars livable. But to survive there, we have to build Earth all over again, with domes and oxygen generators. We aren't colonizing planets. We are escaping them. So the final answer is simple. Earth is not just a planet, it's a miracle. Every other world is trying to freeze you, burn you, crush you, poison you, or rip you apart. And Earth is the only one hugging you with perfect pressure, warming you with perfect heat, and letting you breathe. We spend so much time trying to leave Earth, but after seeing all 8 planets, you realize there is no place like home. And if you want more mind-blowing truths like this that will change how you see the universe, follow Nexora Science for mind-blowing science.